7th graders, it's Mrs. Walker and I miss you. We're on week 4 of our distance education and I wanted to walk through how I would look at a Hyperdoc to help me understand this week's directions. So I am in Google Classroom and I'm going to week 4. This is the Hyperdoc. It's going to be the document in the bottom of that section. And I'm just going to go through the document in the order that I see it. So the first box, green, engage. All it says is welcome to Edmentum, and I'm sure you've heard a lot about Edmentum at this point. The next box below that is blue, explore. Here, there's an optional orientation. If you feel like you already understand Edmentum because you're doing it in all of your other core classes, then skip this step. The box below that is explain, and this is where we talk about how we're going to do Edmentum, but also Genius Hour. And Genius Hour is something we're really excited about. It's where you pick a topic that you're passionate about, and then you research that topic to learn more about it and share out. There's a really cool video that explains what Genius Hour is all about, and there's also a slideshow that helps work you through the process of what is Genius Hour and the brainstorming. So down to the box below, which is the yellow box, apply. Take out a piece of paper and do your own brainstorm where you think about all of the topics you're passionate about and you're going to narrow down to one topic that you'd like to research and learn more about. Once you've got your one topic, you're going to hop onto Newsela and you're going to get your first piece of research through a Newsela article. You'll pick an article and then take the quiz. The box below that is the share box. So we will have an optional Google Meet on Thursday or Friday, depending on when your block schedule is. And we'll share our topics and any questions we might have about Genius Hour or Edmentum in the Google Meet. If you can't make it during that time, it is totally okay. This is an optional thing, and I don't want you to feel pressured about it. I'll be sharing out the link via email, and I'll also put the Google Meet link in Google Classroom. The box below that is the reflection box. You're always going to have a reflection posted as a separate assignment in Google Classroom. That's going to ask you questions about the work you did with Genius Hour, and it's also going to ask you how you feel distance education is going, because we want to keep monitoring that and not giving you too much work, but not getting you bored either. And the final box is the extend box. The extension is always optional. That's for those of you who feel like you'd like to extend your educational journey. Maybe you have some time to fill. Maybe you're just curious. Go for it. If you have any questions, you can email me between 9 and 3. I'm always available. And maybe I'll see you on Google Meet. I really miss you guys. Take care.